Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to share with you a delicious and healthier version of everyone's favorite snack. Crispy veg pakora made in an air fryer. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take chopped vegetables of your choice. Coat all the chopped vegetables properly. Serve these delicious and crispy veg pakoras hot with your favorite chutney or dip. They make a perfect tea time snack or a fantastic appetizer for parties. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.